McFly.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am your guy, Johnny McFly, and I got my lovely lady, Hazel McFly. Hazel McFly. And y'all, we is back again with another video. I know it's been a long 6 months. 6 months. But look, as y'all see, I had to get my production room right. So if I can.
It's been 6 months?
Yeah. Been 6 months. 6 months, yo. 6 long months. But I am back. We is back.
We are back.
We is back.
We are back.
We is back. You know what I'm saying? So, look, we bring y'all another video today. Today we're doing the video, I've seen on TikTok. No talking, just sounds. No words, just sound. Whatever. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a little spicy where I'm going to make a sound, she going to make a sound, but whoever laughs get hit with an egg.
Oh, you getting smacked.
You know what I'm saying? So,
because it's still team Hazel.
Anyway, you know what I'm saying? We bring y'all whole new content now. So, yeah. Before y'all watch this video, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Comment down below and let us know who's going to win. Right?
Right.
Hazel? You ready? You ready to get beaten?
Are you ready?
You ready to get beaten? Huh? You ready to get beaten? Ooh, shoot. Alright, we already know the drill. We're going to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
And I'm going to win. I always
that's
win.
That's out of one.
That's out of 3.
That's out of 3.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
you
go.
already know.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my God!
I already won.
Ah! So you gotta go first. You won.
No.
All right,
I made the sound first.
Yeah, go ahead. Let me get my Denzel on.
That's your Denzel?
Yep.
Okay.
I go.
You go.
Yes!
You sound like that dude that was going around in people's ear. What's his name?
I don't know, but come on, get hit in the head. You ready?
No.
You ready? Oh, shit.
You put it in my hair.
Ooh.
That hurt. And you got it in my hair. You know I can't wash my extensions.
Look, y'all, she happy, y'all, because she finally put her hair back in her head.
Yeah, because I couldn't afford to go get it done. I had to do it myself.
You know what I'm saying? She got it back.
Got it back.
And I'm going to egg the hell out of it, too. Yes, sir.
You already did.
All right, that was round 1.
I ain't laughing no more.
That was round 1, baby. Team McFly or die. You know about to come next. Look at my jig. Look at my jig. Yeah. Look at my jig. Look at my jig. Oh, girl. Who you think you is, huh? Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get back. She's trying to distract me. Go ahead. It's on you. The hell was that? Who was it? Was it a monkey or what was it?
A monkey like you.
Oh, shoot.
Should have known that.
All right, my go. I'm gonna do. I don't know what the hell that was. I tried.
I'm not laughing.
I don't know what the hell it came out. I don't know why it came out like that. Oh my God, here you go. Denzel, baby, Denzel. I tried not to look at your face, but I couldn't imagine. I couldn't imagine how your face. Oh, I laughed at it.
Yeah, you did. Ready?
God, hold on. Ooh, I'm hot too. Oh,
I'm about to crack this sucker on their forehead.
Go.
You didn't even get it all on you like I got it on me.
That shit do hurt. Ugh. Ugh.
It's on my shoe.
Mine too.
No.
That do hurt.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 1-1.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Who go with it? My go.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Don't laugh. Don't you laugh. Oh.
You hit me with that hard ass.
Oh. Okay, I got one for you. I got one. I got one.
Ew.
I got one for you. There's an egg, man. You ate them this morning. Come on.
Okay, on me.
Let's go.
I got one.
Denzel.
You gotta look at me.
No, I
Yes,
can't.
you do.
I can't look at you.
That's cheating.
All right.
You gotta look at me.
All right. Hold on.
I'm gonna let you get it out. Go ahead, get it all out.
Get my Denzel on. Straight face. I'm pissed off mood. Oh, alright, come on. These lights got me hot.
I should egg you because that was the sound.
No,
And you
what's the
laughing.
sound?
I was laughing.
Man, get out of here. Come on.
I thought about a red comment.
Oh my God. Do it again. Oh.
I got you now. Alright.
Oh
You
my
gotta
God.
get egg again.
Oh, I didn't take my hat off this time. I gotta block my forehead. Oh, I got, hold on. It's cold too. Yeah, that there. Ah. Oh.
How many is that?
That's 2-1.
2-1. I told you I ain't laughing no more, so I won.
2-1. Oh.
Team Hazel!
Oh. So it's 2-1, right? So best out of 5. So if I get one more, then that's it.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. If I get one more, that's it, y'all. Let's go. Who go with it?
Yours.
Mine. Alright, I got one for you. Oh, I got one for you. You gotta look at me while I do it too. One of them kids. What you doing? You laugh.
I didn't laugh.
No.
He cheating by
No.
keep on doing it, trying to make me laugh.
No. You cheating, yo. Alright, let's go. You'll go.
Trying to think of a sound. I tried to sound like a horse. I don't know what that was. That was my name.
That shit sad as hell. That's sad, boy.
I can't think of nothing.
Alright, my go. Gotta be 2-2. I can't get it out. I can't get it out. I can't get over. She trying, y'all. She trying. She trying.
It's your second try. So the next one, that's your final.
What?
It's your second try. The next one, your final.
Alright.
It sounded like the first one you did. Not laughing.
I ain't got it. I ain't got nothing in the chamber. I ain't got nothing in the chamber.
Ain't
All right.
got nothing either. You laugh. I get the cracker egg and you gotta eat one.
Oh, what?
This is 3. This your third one.
Oh my God. Man, it hurt.
Let me just crack on your nose so it can run to your mouth.
What?
Let me just crack it on your nose so it can run down. You wanna just eat it?
Nah. Just come on. No, crack on my damn nose, you. That's gonna hurt.
I'm gonna crack it right here between your eyes.
You ready?
You ready?
Oh my gosh.
You ready?
We gonna crack it at my foot.
I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh, hell. We gonna fight. We gonna fight in here.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Right there in the center.
That is stinky.
I won as usual.
Hey, look.
Cause it's always
Look.
Team Hazel.
Look, man, nobody care about that mess. Look, if y'all was in my shoes, look, Hazel don't make these kind of faces. She don't.
I'm not.
She don't do none of this stuff.
I'm not.
She don't do none of this stuff. So
no.
Me seeing her doing this stuff, it made it more funny. It did. It did.
You funny.
No. Anyway, we're gonna be giving y'all these videos at least once a week.
At least once.
At least once. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say 2-3 times a week. You know what I'm saying? Because I do have a personal life also. But
and we do have
jobs. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. But at least once a week. So if y'all get it 2-3 times a week, I mean y'all doing something good. But if y'all want a video like this at least once a week or twice a week,
give us a thumbs up.
How many likes we need?
We'll start with 25.
Give us 25 likes.
25.
25 likes. That's all we asking for. 25 likes. I'm on the road to the 1,000 subscribers. So make sure y'all like, comment, and share.
I'm telling you,
please.
we've been on this road to 1,000 for a while now.
It's my fault because we be taking breaks.
Off.
You know what I'm saying? We take breaks.
We fell off.
We ain't taking no more breaks. We're on the road to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? 1,000 subscribers. We're at 532 right now. 532. So make sure y'all share, comment, and like, and subscribe to the channel.
Hit that notification bell so you know when we drop a new video.
Yes. And make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and become a McFly Gang. Look at my G. McFly Gang. Look at my G. McFly Gang. Anyway, we love y'all. We see y'all in the next video. Peace.